Question 14a. Write the recurring decimal 0.25 recurring as a fraction in its simplest form. So 0.25 recurring is 0.25555 forever. Okay, so we're going to put that equivalent, equal to x. And we need to somehow work this out. So if I times it by 10, so 10x is going to equal 2.55555. Now I've got the 5s after the decimal point. If I times that by 10 again, so 100x is going to equal 25.5555 forever. Now if I take this away from this on both sides, that's going to leave us with 90x. Okay, and the reoccurring 5s are going to cancel out. Okay, so 10x, 100x take away 10x is going to be 90x. And 25.5 recurring, take away 2.5 recurring, is going to be 23. So therefore, 90x equals 23. So we're going to divide both sides by 90. So therefore, 0.25 recurring is 23 over 90 as a fraction. Now, is that in its simplest form? Can we divide top and bottom by anything? No, it can't. So, the answer is 23 90ths. Okay? Now, part A is worth 3 marks. So let's have a quick look at the mark scheme. Okay, so the first one's a method mark for this bit here. The second one is also a method mark for subtracting these two to leave us with 90x equals 23. And the third mark is for an answer of 23 out of 90. And that's it for part A. So, part B says rationalise the denominator of 12 divided by 12 over root 6. Give your answer in its simplest form. Okay, so to rationalise the denominator means make the denominator not a surd anymore. Okay, make it a normal number. Okay, so 12 over root 6. If I times anything by 1, it doesn't change the value of this, does it? Okay, so 12 over root 6 times by 1 doesn't change anything. Okay, so if I times it by root 6 over root 6, so anything over itself is 1. Okay, I won't change anything, but it will allow me to rationalise the denominator. Okay, so I will write it out. So 12 times root 6 is 12 lots of root 6. Root 6 times root 6 is root 36, which is going to be 6. Okay, so I'll just keep writing that. So this is going to be 12 root 6 over 6. So, have we rationalised the denominator? Yes, we have. Okay, but is it in its simplest form? Not quite yet. So let me get another colour. Now, this is 12 root 6 over 6. Now I can divide top and bottom by 6. So that's going to be 1 and that's going to be 2. So that's going to leave me with 2 root 6 for the final answer. So I'm going to write that on the answer line. 2 root 6 is my final answer. So part B is worth 2 marks. And the first one's a method mark for multiplying the numerator and the denominator by root 6. Okay, so this bit here. The second mark is for an answer of 2 root 6. Or if you had 2 root 6 over 1, that's also acceptable. And that's it for question 14.